Hello everyone, welcome to Harjeet's World. My name is Harjeet and today again I came with another vacancy which is with Qatar Airways. This vacancy is open for Indian subcontinent. So the vacancy I'm going to talk about is for Hamad International Airport Lounge. I'm going to give you all the details regarding this vacancy and how you can apply. Before I go ahead with the vacancy, I would like to inform you that I have worked as a cabin crew for almost 8 years, out of which I have worked 4 years with Qatar Airways as a cabin crew. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harjeet Dreams. So let's talk about the vacancy. This vacancy is opened with Qatar Airways at their airport lounge, which is Hamad International Airport Lounge in Doha. So this vacancy is open for Indian subcontinent. So anybody from Indian subcontinent countries can apply for this vacancy. So I would like to tell you the countries which can participate for this vacancy is India, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Maldives. So anybody from these countries can apply for this vacancy. So this vacancy has various positions. I'm going to share all the details regarding the vacancy. So this vacancy is a great opportunity to be a part of Qatar Airways. If you are interested to work with Qatar or Qatar Airways, so it's a great opportunity for you. Now I would like to share the positions for which they are hiring. It's bartender, storekeeper, food and beverage attendant, lounge attendant, spa therapist, senior food and beverage attendant, senior lounge attendant, lounge supervisor, support service supervisor. Now I would like to share the qualification which they are looking for. So the qualification they are looking for is high school diploma, vocational qualification in hospitality, customer service or culinary art. The next requirement, you should be fluent in English, written and verbal. And if you have worked with a multinational company, then it's an asset for you. Next requirement is willingness to relocate to Doha. So this vacancy is open for Doha base. So which means that once you are selected, you have to move to Doha and you will be staying there. They will provide you accommodation and you will be working and staying in Doha. And if you have worked with a 5-star hotel or on a cruise, a ship, and if you have worked at the airport in any of the lounge, then it will be a great benefit for you.
If you are a fresher, you can also apply for this job.
The last date to submit your application is 20th of December. So please do apply before that. If you're interested, I would like to share the information how you can apply. For applying, you have to go onto their website, that's careers.qatarairways.com. I will leave the link in the description box for your convenience. So once you click onto the link, you will find the vacancy and you just have to click on apply. Once you click on to apply, a privacy agreement page will open. So once you accept the privacy agreement, a page will open where you have to upload your CV and then you have to fill up your personal details, where you have to just fill up your name and other details about you. Please do fill up a correct email address and your contact number. That's how they are going to communicate with you. And once you are done with that, then you will have to fill up your experience and education information, and it's very easy. Once you fill up that, if you have experience, you have to mention that. If you don't have, then you just have to leave it. And then next is your job specific questions. If you have worked before, then you have to fill up job specific questions, or they might ask you, have you worked with Qatar Airways or any department of Qatar Airways? So you have to click no if you haven't, and then you just have to click on submit. So that was all about Hamad International Airport Lounge vacancy. If you have any other questions, please feel free to send me a message on Instagram. I'm happy to help you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thank you. Bye.